I think our performances recently have been very good. The last 6 games, if you look back, we've competed and if not been a better team in most of those games. So yes, it's nice to come away with 3 points now.
Did you deserve more from the game?
I think from the second half, yeah. I think especially the last 10 minutes, we created a lot of problems for them. We probably though should have done it more throughout the game, and you can't just get points from the last 10 minutes of a game, and I think the quality side of it today, the final third, we had a few little problems with that, but we can't fault the effort of the lads, and we competed for the 95 minutes, but it was just that little bit of quality at the end, and the final an end product.
A first win in over a month, but I think it's fair to say it's been coming over the last few weeks.
Yeah, we have played Carnarvon away, TNS and Connors Key in that month, mind. So, I think if we're going to be picky, give us a break. But yeah, it's been coming. The last 7 games we've been a lot better because I've got a squad to choose from, and even today, Greg Walters and Elliot Scotcher still unavailable, and Jack Wilson. So, by the time we play our next game, the squad will be stronger again, and that's all I can ask for. When I've got a squad, we'll compete with anybody, and we've shown that the last 7 games. To lose 2. By the odd goal against TNS and Penabont, it shows that everybody who thinks we're a poor team this year because we lost a couple of players, it's disappointing that people think that of us, but we know how tough the league is, and all we do is take 1 game at a time.
We're used to seeing you scoring from outside the area, but they're usually free kicks. That was a bit different this afternoon.
Yeah, I think I just swung my right at it this time. But I seen a few boys in the box but opted to shoot, and luckily I went in.
And with that win, you're out of the bottom 2 and suddenly looking up at the top 6.
Yeah, the table looks a lot different today than it did yesterday afternoon, and we've got 6 big games left, 2 at home, 4 away, and we just got to accumulate as many points as we can, because listen, top 6 would be fantastic, but we know how tough that's going to be because of the start of the season we had, especially when Colwyn Bay and Cardiff met and Barry had in a good run of form themselves. But it's all about accumulating points, because we know that the season's not ended if we don't finish in the top 6. We've done that before, and the boys will back themselves to have a good phase 2. But all we can do now is have a weekend off next week and prepare for Barrytown, which will be another tough game.